Hi, I'm Doug and I'm a technical sales and support engineer here at TASKA Prosthetics. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a cover plate on the TASKA CX hand. Cover plates are a great way for users to personalise the TASKA CX hand. Set the TASKA hand in the open palm grip, which will have the thumb pointing away from the palm. Using the TASKA screwdriver that comes with the hand, find the opening slit, a small gap beside the little finger and next to the TASKA logo, and lift the plate up. Once open, peel the cover plate off as shown, and take care not to pull or twist the plate. It should just come off without excessive force. Rotate the hand, and holding the join near the thumb, lift the whole cover plate up and away. To install a new cover plate, begin by aligning the hook with the small slot on the palm side of the hand. Carefully insert the hook near the little finger, placing your thumb over it and pressing until it clicks into place. Then press into the centre of the palm. Rotate the hand and line the cover plate up with the button panel first. Engage the small hook on the thumb side underneath the button panel before sliding your fingers across and clipping the cover plate into place near the TASKA logo. If your cover plate looks like this, remove the top side of the cover plate and ensure the clip is below the button panel before engaging.